You want my shine? You want my glossy? You want my sexy? You want my sassy? Ain't gonna get it. Ain't gonna get it.
As Veltitau president, I have to date the hottest room five, you know that. So, it's gonna be you and me forever. Only if you survive tonight's crossing.
Stop scaring my little Brian. I have really high hopes for you, bestie. Don't disappoint me tonight, okay?
You and me forever, baby. After the crossing, I'll surprise Brian with half of my inheritance. And then we can start that charity we've been dreaming about. One more night of hell, then I'm a sister for life.
You worthless, unlovable freaks. Y'all look like cheap whores. Time to strip? Now! Okay, it's time to choose. Chug or blow. So what will it be, Ashlyn?
McKenna, I would never cheat on Brian.
Oh, what the frat king doesn't know won't hurt him. Go on. Okay, fine. Sit. Now, if you fall or quit, you're all out. Maybe you didn't choose blow, but you're no virgin. You got this, little. Don't let me down.
I'm so close to being one of them. All I have to do is get through the night.
It's gonna be you and me forever.
I'm sorry, Brian. I can't do it.
You failed. You really disappointed me today, Ash. If you want to wear these letters, then you're not getting out of here until he gets his happy ending.
No, McKenna! No, stop! Don't leave me here! Brian, you won't do this to me, please.
Ash, you know, I have a surprise for you. Well, you
What are you doing?
want to be a Rama, right? You want to be together forever? Hmm?
Mickey! McKenna, please! No, you're like my sister. Why are you doing this?
Oh, Ash, I've always hated you and your stupid face with your perfect pores. You were never fit to be a Rama. The only good thing about you is your money.
You know, you're worth more to us, dead and alive.
That's a surprise. You wanted to kill me? Brian, I just bought you your dream car. And I was going to give you half my inheritance today. We're going to save the world together.
Really that stupid?
I thought you were my best friend.
You thought wrong.
It's okay. I don't want to be a Rama anymore. Can you please just let me go?
I'm sorry, baby girl. It's just too late.
What are you doing?
Goodbye, my love.
Are the rumors about Ashlyn Wadsworth true?
She's been depressed ever since her dad died. And I've tried to help her, but she pushed me away, and now she's
She's been struggling with alcohol for a long time. It was a terrible accident.
Oh my God, Ashlyn was an alcoholic?
Good girls have bad sides too.
Did they say Ashlyn? Is my sister here?
Sadly, we've just confirmed that SMU freshman Ashlyn Wadsworth, the sole heir to the Wadsworth fortune, was trapped in a sorority house fire and is presumed dead.
No.
Say goodbye forever.
I'll find you, I swear!
After 11 years, I finally found you, Ashlyn, just like I promised. But I was one day too late. Why does she have your necklace? Did she do this to you?
She was my little, and I was supposed to protect her. I feel like I should die. Someone please put me out of my misery.
Hey, you know what? Can we, no more questions? Please just say a prayer for our Rama family, okay?
Ashlyn? It's impossible. We saw her burn in that fire.
She looked at me like I was Ashlyn's ghost. Like she doesn't know I had a twin. What would she do if I brought her back to life?
And I think people believe every word we say.
I mean, clearly. Wait. I need to shower first.
No, but I like you doing.
Hey. You know, I thought I saw her at the press conference. Ashlyn?
Yeah, it's impossible, because if she managed to escape the fire, her face would be burnt to a crisp.
You got her to unlock her Ramify legacy chest, right? That's where she put all the codes to her trust?
Shit, no, I thought you did. Hey, I thought you did, but you got the necklace, right?
Yes, I have the necklace, but the chest is sealed with blood. Ashlyn's blood, and in case you forgot, she's dead now.
Hey, it was your idea to kill her and steal her inheritance, so...
Keep your mouth shut. You never know who could be listening.
My sister was murdered by the people she loved and trusted the most.
Relax. She's dead. Hey.
I have to become my sister and make them pay for what they did.
We never would have worked out, but I promise to take really good care of your inheritance.
Sorry, little, but this necklace looks way better on me.
So now that her family's gone, who gets all the billions?
Ashlyn was the most important person in my life, but her father left her a fortune to his only daughter, and before she passed, she said that she wanted me to use all her money to start a charity to help girls struggling with substance abuse. I just wish she could be here today and we could have saved her.
Wait, so because you're banging her, you get to keep all the money?
Oh, no. I will be co-chairing the charity to keep him honest. I mean, she was my best friend and my little, so it's what she would have wanted.
If no one is opposed, I
object.
I'll never be reunited with my sister, but with her name, I'll get my revenge.
Ashlyn, thank God you're alive!
Bro, what the fuck? Where were you?
Oh my God, you scared us, girly. We didn't know if you made it out of that house.
She's back from the dead.
That's not possible.
Look who's scared now.
Brian, baby, didn't you miss me?
Oh, Mickey.
How is she not even burned? I lit her on fire myself.
That is not Ashlyn.
Come on, Brian, really? It's me, your loving girlfriend. Did you miss me, bestie?
I'm confused. You guys are here crying over my grave, but I'm alive. I'm here. Aren't you happy to see me?
The real Ashlyn Wadsworth is dead. So who the hell are you?
She's so sure my twin sister is dead because she killed her.
Baby, aren't you happy to see me?
Look, I wish more than anyone here that she would be back. You may have the same face, but you are not Ashlyn.
Really? August 4th, 2024, the first day we met. We were at school and you asked me where the library was and I showed you even though you knew exactly where to go. And then, September 9th, first time we kissed, we're at that Belted Towel party and it was really fun. That Charlie song was playing. And then, last week at the crossing for Ramify.
Okay, that's enough.
Wait, hold on. If Ashlyn's alive, then is this whole funeral just like a marketing ploy for the new Wadsworth charity?
How did this happen? We covered all our tracks.
I'm sorry, the Wadsworth charity? Well, I am here and I'm alive, so why don't I decide what I get to do with my money?
Okay, so you memorized some basic facts off of Ashlyn's Instagram. Good job, stalker. Do you really remember what happened? Like a week ago when you drank yourself to death?
Liar. There's no way my sister would have done that. Maybe I can scare her into spilling the truth.
Huh?
Oh, what?
Sorry. My lungs are still a little smoky, but they wouldn't be that way if someone didn't leave me there to die, right?
Okay. So then you don't remember what happened. That makes sense because you were blackout drunk. No one left you anywhere. You threw yourself a fit and locked yourself in a closet. And then you got so drunk that you passed out and knocked over a candle. By the time me and Brian found you, it was just too late.
So they were at the scene of the crime. I knew it. I knew they killed her.
I'm still really tired and fuzzy. But I survived the night, and that means I'm officially a Rama. So, woo!
What the fuck?
I think this one belongs to me. Gorgeous necklace. All right, I'll see y'all back at the house.
That wasn't actually Ashlyn, right? She was never that bold.
No. I don't know who the fuck that is, but she's going down.
Rushing Ramify was my twin sister's dream.
What are you doing?
Until it became her nightmare. Ashlyn's bestie and her frat bro boyfriend hazed her to death so they could steal her inheritance. Time to take this place over and tear it down from the inside.
You know only real Ramas can enter this house. And even though you look like Ashlyn, we all know that you're a fake.
No, I rushed. So I belong here.
Oh, you did? You rushed Rama, really? Okay. Then you must have one of these, right? Every girl gets hers during Hell Week to prove her loyalty to Ramify. And if you don't have a tattoo, then there's no entry. Get her.
Stop, let go.
Listen, we all know you don't belong here. But if you want to fit in, then maybe we can give you a mark of your own. This is what happens when fake bitches try to scam their way into Ramify. They get scarred for life. She has a tattoo. She must be Ashlyn. How the hell do you have that?
I'm doing this for you, sister. Well, I am in the sorority, so I clearly belong here. Ah! Play with fire and get burned again.
I don't know who the hell you think you are, but the real Ashlyn is dead. And she's never coming back.
Where am I? I blacked out the night of my sorority crossing. What happened to me?
So why don't we all give a big Ramify welcome to our newest sister, yeah? This bitch is storming my sorority like she owns it. We all know she can't really be Ashlyn, and I'm not gonna let her steal our blood money.
Yeah. Okay, then what are we gonna do?
I'm gonna call a house meeting and expose her in front of everyone.
Was this your life, sister? A boyfriend who murders for money? A bestie who hazed you to death? I'm taking back everything they stole from you.
As you all know, we are using Ashlyn's inheritance to start the Wadsworth Charity for cultural struggling with substance abuse.
Yes, this is a very important topic that affects thousands of high potential young women.
Don't worry. I'll take it from here.
I mean, I am Ashlyn Wadsworth. First of all, I just want to say I am so sorry if I scared any of you guys when you all thought I passed away. I'm truly sorry for that. But I would also like to thank my love, Brian, for trying to honor my wishes by creating this charity. As some of you may know, my father has left me with billions, and so I, Ashlyn Wadsworth, would like to decide what I want to do with it.
So you're keeping all that money to yourself? The Ashlyn I knew was never this selfish.
Yeah. And everyone's saying she died in a fire 8 days ago. Why should we believe the crook claiming to be her?
It's super sus. I mean, are you trying to steal the Wadsworth fortune?
Wow. Tough crowd. You guys are all so desperate for me to prove myself. Well, go ahead. Try me.
I know how you can prove it.
Is that Ashlyn's legacy chest?
As you all know, each new potential member puts their most valued possession into the legacy chest to prove their loyalty to Ramify.
All the passwords into this chest on that night. So, only the true heirs of the Wadsworth fortune can unlock it. You unlock the chest. You prove your identity. It's pretty simple.
They're setting a trap, but I won't fall for it like my sister did.
What's wrong? I thought you wanted to prove that you're not a bottom-feeding scammer.
Says the pathetic bitch that steals from her best friends.
The Ashlyn I knew would never dish burns like that.
Yeah, especially not to her big.
Well, people change.
What are we waiting for, you know? Just Unlock it. What's wrong? We're all waiting, right?
Yeah, we don't have all day.
Prove yourself. Come on.
If I fail, the monsters who hazed my twin to death will steal my family's fortune. I have to open that chest.
How does she have the same necklace?
Why won't it open?
Yep. Surprise, surprise, right, guys?
She's a fraud.
You get the fuck out, imposter.
I can't give up. I have to open this chest.
Don't bother. You clearly have a fake one. Because I have the real one. The real Ashlyn gave it to me. Because she wants me to have the money. Because she trusts her big more than anyone.
McKenna stole that necklace from my sister the night that she killed her.
What the hell?
Sorry, Mickey. I changed my mind.
You don't even know how to open a legacy box, do you?
I don't remember exactly because my brain is still really fuzzy, you know, from the accident.
Oh, okay. Well, let me help remind you. It's not the key that opens it. It's blood. Ashlyn Wadsworth blood, to be specific.
And you only get one more chance to open this box until it locks up forever.
Then why don't we make a little bet?
With a random psycho pretending to be our dead friend. Yeah, no way.
Oh, I mean, are you scared that I am the real Ashlyn?
Fine. But if I'm in, we're all in. Let's hear it, Ramas.
One heart, one way, one sisterhood.
Fuck it. Veltas are in too. So, what are the stakes in this little bet, huh?
Okay, well, if I open the box, then I become Ramify president. Oh, and one more thing. I know how you like to haze your girls, Madam President. When I prove that I'm Ashlyn, then I get to do it to you. But let's see, what would I write? Well, liar, clout chaser, best friend that fucked my boyfriend.
Oh my God. Ashlyn was my little. I can't believe you would even accuse me of doing such a thing.
Ashlyn never doubted our relationship. How much does this bitch know?
She's turning them all against me. I can't let that happen. I am Ramify president. You don't want to cross me.
Well, are you scared that I might treat you like a new potential member?
And what happens if you don't open the box?
Then I'll drop out of Ramify, and I won't stop you from using my trust to fund your Wadsworth charity. Fuck it, I'll give you the passwords as well.
There's no way she'll open it. She'll be exposed as a fraud, and Brian and I will be filthy rich. You're on.
She's not actually going to do this, right?
Yeah. Hell no. Look, you can steal a face. You can steal a key. But to open this box, you're gonna need blood. And you can't steal that. And it only flows through Ashlyn's veins.
Last chance. Do it now.
Sister, I can't lose this bet. If you really are my long-lost twin, then I bleed the same as you.
One heart, one way.
One sisterhood.